Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Maureen and you are welcome to this channel. Just subscribe to join the family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being here.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it?
Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've not introduced this video. Why is this cat looking at me like this? Let me show you guys. Shindwe katika jina la Yesu. Toka hapo. Kwenda kabisa. Let me finally introduce this video, guys. That was a distraction. So today is a general cleaning day. I'm going to do a motivational cleaning for the whole house. So this is just to motivate you to wake up and start doing your chores, clean your spaces. So I hope you come along with me and let's enjoy cleaning. In this video, I won't be talking much because I'll do a time lapse, and also it will be a very short video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please don't forget to leave a like, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed the video.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in a deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, no, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
Yeah, I even don't know where to start from. My laundry lady just called me, anakuja but atachelewa, so that's a good thing. But nitamalizia sasa with the bathroom because anafulia huko, so that's where we'll finish from, hata kama ni usiku ama ni kesho, because tomorrow I'm not in the house, so I'll have to clean it. Sijui kama nita clean asubuhi ama usiku, so sijui nianzie wapi. To be honest, I don't know where to start from, cause nataka kuosha even madirisha. Hizi dirisha ziko na uchafu somehow, yeah, especially the living room. Nataka nizioshe hadi nje. So let's start with the utensils, then go to the cleaning the bedroom. Mi naona kama nitamalizia na sitting room, yeah. So I'll see wherever we will start, tutajua tu. So let's start.
sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Most of you ask me how I maintain these cooking pots. This is how I maintain them. Whenever I wash them weekly, I don't use a steel wire. So after 1 week, I'll use a steel wire to scrub them. So that's how I'll maintain them, so that they cannot get that much scratch. And if you can see, if you use a steel wire, the stains are coming out, and finally your sufurias come out so clean. So that is how I maintain them, and so far so good. They are doing so well.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely.
This is how the floor was looking like. As you can see, I wiped a lot of insects and flies. As you can see, what, you guys, my kitchen was so dirty. So let's wipe the floor and continue with the cleaning.
On our side, I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
when it comes to my balcony, it was the most affected one. As you can see, there was a cat which came and split that paper, that bin paper. So it was so messy. So let's start by cleaning the dustbin and also the windows, then continue with the cleaning.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I decided to start with my sitting room because I figured out when it comes to my bedrooms, I'll be folding clothes, so it will take a lot of time. So let's start with the sitting room, then go to the bedrooms. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll. I decided to rearrange my sitting room again because I wanted to create more space in the living room, and nowadays it has been so congested. And let me tell you guys, I thank God I did that because I created a lot of space. So guys, my laundry lady came, and also I'm going to give out these two cases. One is for A32 Samsung and the other one is for Huawei 2016 Huawei 6. So if you want one, just DM me. I'm going to give them out. They are new, only that they have stains. Those are coloring stains. You can remove them so easily.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know
like you. Be strong to hold the powers of the sun.